Alright traders, hope you guys did really well today. It's Monday morning. Weekend is finally over. Very excited about today, but try to control that excitement a little bit because not a lot out there. I mean, SPI perked up, but I avoided that one. Didn't have any shorts on it. I tried to locate some, couldn't find any either. I had one trade in pre-market this morning. We'll get right into it. Hope you guys enjoy. We got about a minute and a half until the market opens on up. I took one trade this morning already. AGRX in pre-market. I shorted this at 117, top ticked the heck out of AGRX, and I sold at 109. Right back down here to the VWAP. I can pull that up here. 830 AGRX. Short sell 117, buy at 109. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. I'm avoiding having my P&L up here. I think it's really helping me out. Not really paying attention to it. Just trading the charts and what I know to do. I should have taken that off a long time ago, but just now doing it, it's really allowing me to be more relaxed in these trades. I started with 300 shares though, really small, probably a third of my position sizing that I wanted on this, because I really wanted it up a little bit higher, maybe 125 to 130. The past chart history was telling me, you know, this thing can get up to 130 here. So that's what I was looking to go with a little starter position and then build a position on it, size into it as it moved a little bit higher, keeping that 130 break as my risk. But traders, you know what I'm looking at this morning, looking at EGAN for a short, TPNL, going to see how that one opens on up. EGAN's a little overextended as well. Guys, I'm not going to be very eager to get into a trade very quick. This one's just a pump and dump, guys. I'm not trading AVCO at all. There's a lot of longs on this from the prior days. Here last month actually, this one went from a few dollars to $13. When it happens just a few weeks ago, we can't expect this thing to do the same move. You know, it's got to take half a year to a year, in my opinion, before I can make a move like that again, because we're going to have a lot of bag holders in this who are going to be selling as it's going up. Not only that, shorts are going to be all over it. Now that shorts see that this is just a straight pump and dump, they're going to be licking their chops to get into that on the short side. EGAN, this one we were looking at for a short sell. It's really already dropping right now. Dropping hard. That would have been a great short there. I wanted it a little bit higher, but you guys know what I was saying in pre-market. Guys, when a stock ends a day like Friday with strong volume, strong long bias volume going into the close here, and then over the weekend we don't get any sort of a gap up, they're going to be quite eager to just get rid of their positions, and we're going to see a little bit of panic selling. And that's exactly what I went over in the pre-market analysis today. What I wanted ideally to see here was a little drop and then red to green move and go up to a little bit higher of a resistance around 1250. Doesn't look like we're going to be getting that. We still could. A lot of panic selling right there though. I'm trying not to predict volume. I'm trying very hard not to predict volume because that's what I did on Friday with TENX. And that one ended up not working out. I just want to trade the volume that's present. Now we're getting a little bit of a dump here. AMRS. SPI going crazy right now, fellas. It already hit some major resistance that I had marked off. I always draw these lines on most every single chart. That way I pull them up later down the road and I can already see resistance. We hit here, we've hit here, you know, around 450. So this thing's most likely going to be coming back on down. AGRX so far today was the only really predictable setup for me. I mean, I was very excited to get into that on the short side. Looking at its past chart history, I knew that one was a high probability setup for me. Nothing else I've been very excited to get into. Nothing that's screaming, Kevin, take this trade. Nothing I really like out there right now. And I also really want to end the day on a green note because, guys, I'm feeling really, really good. With Friday's short, with today's short, feeling very good. I want to keep shorting. I like it. So traders, I know today was a little strange. We had SPI, that one started taking on off. EGAN, that one worked on the short sell from pre-market. But guys, let me know how you did in the comment section below. Let me know if you managed your risk well, if you kept it on the small side today, because it was a little strange out there. But on these days like today, we just got to be smart and protect our money, understanding that cash is a position. All right, traders, I'm going to wrap it up right here at 10 o'clock. Please let me know in the comment section how you did, guys. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow.